Hey guys, it's Robert from Land Rover Naperville. Today I have the 2026 Range Rover SE 7-seater P530. It's a V8, 523 horsepower. It is in a satin finish. This is the Flux Silver. It's actually a $10,000 paint option, just in case if you want to get this. Very beautiful. You do have the gloss black 23-inch wheels. Around the back, there is plenty of room in the trunk, just in case you got to put any strollers or anything like that, and groceries. You can drop it down. And even if you're tailgating, you can always just sit down on the back. Enjoy the nice little view. Since it is a 7-seater, you do have a third row. So let me show you that third row option real quick. Your front seat will move up, and then the seat in the back is already up. And basically press that N, get it locked back in. It's gonna go back. And then you can always just move your seat back to your own liking. Guys, we have the black interior. Let's come inside the cabin. I'll show you the other features that we have. Mostly everything from the Range Rover is controlled from the screen. So your climate control is controlled from the screen as well. So you can basically hit that. Today is basically 85 degrees, so we got the cool seats on. You do have heated seats as well. And you can basically drop down the temp or raise it if you need to. Just depends on how you feel. And then you actually have cool seats for the second row and actually the third row as well. There is a valet mode. Super nice for a car like this. You're going to a nice dinner or anything like that. You do want to lock up your valuables before you get into the nice dinner. So for this, I'm just going to use a temporary pin. That's all locked. Basically lock up your goodies. Tap and you come back to the car. Just like that. You do have navigation inside the car. It is from the Pivi. So you have a 3D map. You can drop it down to your liking. There is a 2D. Or if you regularly like the north, west, or anything like that, basically put you in that regular map. You can zoom in, zoom out if you needed to. Right here. And then if you were looking for food, gas stations, parking garages, mechanic shops, stores, museums, anything like that, you could basically go one more page. There's hotels, police station, and hospitals. It's always in the search up where the car's close at. So if you're out of town on a road trip with the car, it's always in the search up where you're at. Super nice. We do have wireless Apple CarPlay as well, so you don't have to plug a cord in anymore. Wireless phone charger. Put your phone down. You do have a couple fast charging outlets inside the car as well. That's one of the fastest outlets you have in the car. That's probably 10 times faster than the wireless phone charger. Hidden storage. Right there, you do have another Type-C. And then you have more storage in there as well. Come see this at Land Rover Naperville.